This episode is powered by smallrig. All right, Black Friday season is upon us, and I have 5 genius products from smallrig that can quite literally change the game for your filmmaking. Now, if I had to start over, I would buy these before wasting any money on some budget options. Now that it's Black Friday, you can get some fancy upgrades for a cheaper price, so let's get started. So first things first, the best tripod on the market. You get hydraulic release legs, which blew my mind when I opened it actually, and literally deploys and levels in seconds. Now, I usually have someone helping me lock the legs when I'm in a tight shoot, and then I'll level the tripod with the bowl. But this one, you just deploy and adjust and you're ready to film. So if you didn't know anything about this product, this is a collaboration with Potato Jet, amazing YouTuber and a filmmaker. And I think they really made a great product. When the first Tribex tripod came out, I was kind of skeptical and it was actually a little bit expensive. But then they released this SE version for cheaper with less features, of course, but you still get the best parts of the original Tribex. You get the awesome hydraulic release, which is just crazy. And the tripod head has a payload of 6 kilograms. The legs has a payload of 15 kilograms, and it's perfect for, I don't know, like a rigged out FX3. Just don't do big cinema camera setups and you're good to go. And not only setup is quick, but teardown is quick as well, because you just do this and it's packed up. You're done. I never give in to hype, but now that I've actually experienced it in person, I can easily say that this is the best tripod out there. But of course, for durability, we'll know after a few years since this is still a new release. And if there's an issue, their customer service is always easy to deal with, or they're quite fast to updating their product line. So for the Tribex SE, it's originally $399, but this Black Friday, we get 20% off, and that's $319. And it's a great time to pick one up. Okay, so next up is the only NPF battery you need. And I'm not exaggerating, because the previous NPF batteries I've had were just atrocious. If you're a filmmaker, you know exactly that NPF batteries are so slow to charge, like painfully slow. This is different. Like even these small NPF batteries, I have a bunch of them. Like I've collected a bunch throughout my career. Someone finally answered all our NPF battery problems, and smallrig actually delivers. You can charge these via USB-C right there, and from 0 to 100, it charges around 3.5 hours to 4 hours, depending on how fast your charger is. And I've never had NPF batteries like these, and I've had USB charging from a different brand, but it was also slow charging. But finally, something that can charge fully at the same time with my V-mounts and my Sony batteries. And this is a true solution for an ongoing problem with NPF batteries. This one comes in black and this bright orange, and they have a green one as well. I do like having bright colored gear, so it's kind of easier to find. But for shoots that have mirrors or reflections, black one always is the best option to get. This one's got a little screen on the front to show you the battery percentage, and then you have a USB-A on the other side, and of course your NPF connectors. This one's got a little cover, and it's a nice touch because it actually protects those little covers when this is in transport. But yeah, I'm actually buying more of these to replace my older ones. And this is a no-brainer and a must-have in any filmmaking kit. So the original price for this one is $79.99, and we get 25% off, and that checks out at $59.99. So this right here is the best value V-mount battery, in my opinion anyways. I've been a fan of smallrig's V-mount batteries, and I have a bunch of the VB99s that I personally bought, and I have a couple of the rugged X99s that they came out recently as well. And if you haven't seen, I've actually made a video trying to destroy that battery, and that it survived. just check it out. And there's this VB99 SE, which is basically a no frills version of their V-mount batteries. But of course, you still get the core functions of their V-mount series. You can use this to power your cinema rig, power lights, charge your laptop, charge your phone, etc. Lots of uses for a 99-watt V-mount battery. I usually take one with me during travels, so me and my partner always have our phones charged if need be, even our laptops if we do need to edit on the go or things like that. So this V-mount battery, the original price is $150, and we do get 30% off this Black Friday. I think it's one of the lowest that they've had it, and it checks out at $104.99 US dollars. Grab a couple. You'll probably use them more than anything in your kit to power your devices and your film gear. Okay, so the next one is a creative flashlight, spotlight kind of thing. And I've thought about this a lot, and the RF10C flashlight is basically a portable projector light from smallrig. It's got 10 watts of power, and it's got 4 colors: white, blue, red, and orange. And most cameras nowadays have great dynamic range, so you can actually do a lot with this light. For me, the best part is the accessories for this light. There's a rubber sleeve, you can attach it, and you can narrow down the light beam if you wanted to. And you can attach these little flexible plastic gobos to create shape and patterns. This is great because now you have loads of options to play around with, and that they have all the cutouts that you might need. Honestly, there's so many that I haven't even used all of them. Here are some quick examples of what I can do with this light, and maybe you can use this as a starting point to get your creative juices out. This light is great for fill, hair light, and just generally creating shape. Now this one is originally $52.99 and we get 25% off, so it checks out at $39.74. If you're mostly using your phone, or even just using your phone as a B or a C camera for your content creation, this crab clamp magic arm is a must, because you're basically getting rid of any extra tripods that you might need for your phone, and you can just clamp this on your desk or any surface that allows you to do so, and just start filming with your phone. And the best thing about it is that it's sturdy, and that I can quickly use this for B-roll using my phone. And ever since getting the iPhone 17 Pro, I basically just use the A7C II and my iPhone for content creation. I've been able to match it quite well, and that I can film various angles with this magic arm without any hassle on my desk or in my studio. We do get 26% off, so we get it at about $25. Now, magic arms are crucial in your filmmaking kit anyways, and smallrig has a lot of different versions on their lineup depending on your needs, so feel free to check out whatever they have on their website. So if I was starting out again, these are the accessories I would buy first, especially the USB-C NPF 970 batteries, and of course the Tribex SE Tripod. We're spoiled with awesome gear, and we're also getting spoiled with Black Friday sales, so it's now more accessible to everyone's budget. If you're interested, everything is linked down below, and of course, happy shopping. If you have any questions about these awesome smallrig products, let me know in the comments down below, but until then, I will see you in the next video. Peace.